Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Plug the Portronics Auto 12 into the car 12V socket and make sure the display powers up. You need a solid power source for stable pairing. On your phone, enable Bluetooth and keep your charging cable or AUX ready, because some setups require wired audio. Open Bluetooth settings, scan, and select the device name shown on the Auto 12. Once paired, you'll see a confirmation. If it asks for a PIN, try 0000, or once paired, choose how you want audio, Bluetooth, aux, or USB. Make sure the Auto 12 is set to that input. Next, tune the unit to an FM frequency that's clear in your area, then tune your car radio to the exact frequency. Play a short audio clip from your phone and adjust the unit volume and car radio so sound is clean without distortion. If using USB for charging, confirm charging current. If the output is low, try another cable or port. Finalize by saving the frequency or noting the pairing name so you can reconnect quickly next time. Secure the Auto 12 so it won't pop out while driving, and route cables to avoid strain. If audio drops or you hear noise, first move to a different FM frequency, then power cycle the unit and repair Bluetooth. If that fails, swap the USB cable or test another phone to isolate the fault. These steps find whether the issue is cable, phone, or the Auto 12 itself.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.